Ready to step into the world of cryptocurrency? In this video, I'll guide you through creating your crypto.com account, your gateway to buying, selling, and managing digital assets securely. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Setting up your crypto.com account is your first step toward accessing hundreds of cryptocurrencies and innovative financial services. Let's get you started safely and efficiently. First, download the crypto.com app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. You can also visit their website if you prefer desktop access. Make sure you're downloading the official app by verifying the developer name and reviews. Open the app and tap Sign Up to begin the registration process. You'll need to provide your email address and create a strong password. Use a unique password you haven't used elsewhere for maximum security. You'll receive a verification code sent to your email. Enter this code in the app to verify your email address. This crucial step ensures you have access to the email account and can receive important security notifications. A crucial pro tip: before you start, have your government-issued ID ready. You'll need it for identity verification in the next steps. Also, consider using a dedicated email address for your crypto activities for better organization and security. And just like that, you've taken your first step into the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Your account foundation is ready for verification and security setup. If this guide helped you get started, please give it a like. Are you new to cryptocurrency or an experienced trader? Let me know in the comments below. To continue securing your account, subscribe for our next video on how to verify your identity on crypto.com. Thanks for watching.